amigos, it's Senora Davis, and here are your instructions for today, el 10 de febrero. So it is count day, and it is very important that you do the communication activity first. As you'll see, you have to make a submission to this, otherwise you're not going to be able to move on. So please make sure you get this done immediately. It's just a quick, simple couple of questions to see how you're doing with the chore vocabulary. We are just really starting it today, so it's okay if we're not feeling comfortable with it, but you do need to give yourself a rating and explain why you gave yourself that rating. Click the purple submit button here, and then submit assignment in Schoology. It's very important. I'll hunt you down if you don't do it in time, so please do it right away. After you completed that, you're going to move on with your assignments for today. So I've added a typed vocab list for you. It's the same vocab list that we're going to be working on that we took last week. It's just now we're going to be focusing on the chore side. So you can reference that if you'd like to. But first thing you're going to do is take some notes on 3 of the vocab words from this section: acabar de, IK, and deber. To have just done something, one must do something, and one should do something. So you're going to print these notes here. If you don't have a printer, then you can handwrite them on line paper and use the Edpuzzle video to fill them out. After you fill those out, you're going to do some practice using the chore vocabulary and the verbs acabar, deber, and IK, which are very just straightforward things. It's just refreshing you with conjugations and what to do when you have 2 verbs in a sentence. So for your Go Formative, your assignment, you're going to do conjugations of acabar de, conjugations of deber, writing sentences with IK and your chore vocabulary, and then putting it all together. So this is practice with all of your vocab words and some refreshers on conjugations as well. So make sure you take those notes on the Edpuzzle first before you do that. Now we're going to be practicing these words throughout this week and quiz over them on Tuesday, the 16th. That's next week. So make sure you're studying each day. If you want to use this type sheet to help you and print that off instead of using your handwritten one, that's totally fine. Please just make sure you use the vocab that I provide for you in the grammar notes I provide for you and not the internet. So make sure you get your count day stuff done right away, and then have a great day. Adios.